SHIJIAZHUANG Ditiantai Electronic Commerce Company is a diversified manufacturer that specialized in 13 years producing and exporting experience for body and face painting and cosmetic products, which has consisted of different departments such as sales department, production department, marketing department, research and development department, warehouse, professional packing team, QA and QC department, and we have been audited by GMP, BSCI, and getting some certificates such as CE, EN71, ASTM, CPSR, MSDS, GMP, and so on. By taking quality, healthy, eco-friendly, natural, and the best apply effect as the starting point, our products gain recognition from many foreign clients. Meanwhile, our research and development department aims at developing more and more individualization products to fulfill our clients' demands and follow with fashion steps. So every year, lots of our new style products promoted to market, and some items become the hot sales, such as water-based face paint 2017, alcohol face paint in 2019, and water-activated pastel eyeliner in 2020. And as a creative company, we also have the ability to offer OEM and ODM service for our customers. All of our colored products are aimed at offering a more colorful life to our clients and offer the most intimate and professional service, as well as the confident and wonderful life to our clients. We are confident that our service will be a valuable asset to your function. Welcome, learn more information about our products and inquire us.